Greeting, internet friends. Welcome to another episode of Dabbling with Dan. Today, Dan is going to be dabbling in disassembling this HVAC outside unit. The reason I want to go ahead and recycle it. And at the recycling center, they have a thing where it's called clean or dirty salvage material. So this unit, if I just took it in itself, which has aluminum, steel, copper, I wouldn't get as much money for it as I would if I had a pile of copper or a pile of aluminum or a pile of steel. So let's go ahead and dig into this thing. Let's take this grill off. So we need to take this part off. We've got some conductors here, and I need to take this panel off so that we can go ahead and gain access. We'll disconnect all these wires. But this is the connector that's connecting the fan, and it's one of these little quick disconnects. That's great. We'll set that aside. Oh, look. So we'll take these screws off, and that will disconnect the fan. All right. Oh, that's heavy right there, too. Wow. There you go. Got a fan, got a motor here. Let's take a look inside. Okay. So this is really interesting. This is all copper right here. All right. And this was professionally uninstalled from the house. So what they say is you like cut this stuff off, and then it'll give you the weight for that copper. And then this is aluminum with copper tubing in there, which, all right, I want to pull this metal cage off. There's a couple screws on each side. Heck, that could be used for like a chicken pen or something. We will recycle it instead. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Sawzall, I guess cut this coil down. Okay, this is what I got here. Got everything loaded up in the back of the pickup truck, and we've got the outside of the compressor core right here, and I've got some copper in this bucket, and it's going to be pretty darn cool to get some cash for this. Oh, check this out. Well, that was pretty darn cool, but not as cool as it's going to be to go ahead and get this cashed out for some cold, hard cash. So let's go to the recycler and cash this out. Came to a grand total of $58.18. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a good day. Bye.